Hello guys, in today's video we have the Redmi 14c which is locked. Let's remove this lock with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. After that, press and hold the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Now when the MI logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the recovery menu appears. Then here use volume keys to navigate through the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then wipe all data with the power key and then confirm it also with the power key. After the confirmation, it will take some time for the phone to completely format all the data from your phone, so you guys have to wait for it. Wait until it reaches up to the 100%. You guys can see that the data wiped has been completed. Then after that, go to main menu with the power key and then reboot your phone with the power key. Then reboot to system. After selecting this option, your phone will reboot. After the reboot, it will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then when finally the phone turns on, tap on the arrow, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.